Welcome to this video. The course that will follow these videos will allow you to learn how to use ASP.NET Core MVC with the C# language. First thing we're going to do is we need to download and install Visual Studio Community 2019. So if you go to this website, visualstudio.microsoft.com/vs, you'll see there's a link called Download Visual Studio, and you can click on the link Community 2019. When you click on that link, that will take you to the next page, will allow you to start to download the file you need to install Visual Studio Community. You might see a message, just go ahead and click Keep, and then this will go ahead and download the installer. Once this is downloaded, click on this file, and that will begin the installation process. And a message might pop up prompting you to go ahead and allow it to continue. You might or might not see this message. That's because I've had it installed before, and so it's going to go out there and get information that it currently needs. After it downloads the necessary files, then it will go through and begin the actual installation with the Video Studio installer. Then you'll see a screen that allows you to declare or choose what you'd like to install. What I would like to do is we'll click on the ASP.NET and Web Development, and if you look off to the side, you'll see everything that is installed with that. And we want to go ahead and make sure we include the .NET Core 2.2 development tools. And I think that'll be the only one we want out of there. Let's go ahead and bring in the Azure development. That's in case you ever want to deploy to Microsoft's Azure. And let's bring in the Node.js, which allows us to use our JavaScript Node.js with Visual Studio. And then these others allow you to do Python. If you want Python, we do not need that. .NET Desktop, we do not need that, but that allows you to create desktop applications and Windows Forms applications. You can do development with C++, or this one allows you to build applications that will work on multiple platforms, which we do not need. So the ones we want are the ASP.NET, Web Development, Azure, and the Node.js. And then click on Install. And I'm not going to worry about taking a survey. And then it will begin the downloading and install. Hopefully you get to this point where it says success. You might have to reboot your system. You might not have to. So I'm going to go ahead and do a reboot on my system. And that should finish up our installation. And this is the installation for Windows. If you have any questions, just let myself or the teaching assistants know.